Family, get ready. Satideh Mawnin Runnings is back tomorrow, Saturday, January 17 at 10 a.m. The first show for the new year. And the whole crew is stepping in with fresh energy and big laughter. Your favorites, Sherns, Jacqui, Max, and Lady D, are kicking off the new year with a theme that every single one of us can relate to. If I knew then what I know now. We're talking lessons, laughter, growth, and all the moments that make you shake your head and say, Lord, if me did only know. It's real, it's fun, and it's the perfect way to start your Saturday. So set the reminder, grab your tea, and join us live on YouTube at Voices with Lady D. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the vibes. Saturday morning runnings where culture meets conversation. See you then.